In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to transfer funds from Binance Earn back to your spot wallet, step by step. This is something you'll want to know if you've been staking, saving, or earning rewards in Binance Earn and now want to trade, withdraw, or use those funds elsewhere. A lot of users get confused about where their funds go after staking or how to actually access them again. So in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to click and what to expect during the redemption process. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Binance app on your phone and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct account and that you're fully logged in, because Earn features are only visible when you're authenticated. Once you're inside the app, look at the bottom navigation bar and tap on Assets. This section shows all your wallets, balances, and products connected to your account. Inside the Assets page, you'll see different wallet categories. If you currently have any funds staked or earning yield, you'll see an option called Earn. If you don't see Earn, that usually means you don't have any active staking or savings products at the moment. Tap on Earn to open your Earn portfolio. Here, Binance shows all assets that are currently locked, flexible, or earning rewards for you. Now, find and tap on the specific asset you want to redeem. This could be USDT, BNB, or any other supported crypto you've put into Earn. Opening the asset will show you details like the earned rewards, lock period, and redemption options. Next, tap on Redeem. Binance will now ask how much of the asset you want to redeem. Depending on the Earn product, you may be able to redeem partially or redeem the full amount. Choose the amount you want to redeem, then review the information on the screen. This usually includes when the funds will be credited and whether there are any conditions or delays. Tap Redeem again to confirm. Binance will process the redemption request, and once it's completed, the funds will automatically be transferred out of Earn. After redemption, the asset will be sent directly to your spot wallet. You can now use it to trade, withdraw to another wallet, convert it, or hold it as you normally would. Keep in mind that some Earn products are instant, while others may take a short period to complete redemption. You can always check the status inside your assets section. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your funds from Binance Earn back to your spot wallet. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.